Jain student, today we are going to discuss the how the collections of data take place. Means some statistical means when the basic data is to be collected from its primary source, how do we do it? It involves study of the set of statistical method and technique. The following of the some well-known method of collecting primary data: first, direct personal investigation; indirect over oral investigation, information from the local sources; information through the questionnaire and schedule mailing method; and enumerator method. The first we discuss the direct personal investigations. The direct personal investigation is the method by which direct data are personally collected by the investigator from the informant. In other words, we can say that investigator establish the direct relation with the person from where the data are to be collected, or we can say that information is to be obtained. The success of this method, however, required that investigators should be very diligent, efficient, impartial, and tolerant. Direct contact with the workers of industry to obtain information about their economic condition. Example of this method. So, what is the suitability? The method is collecting primary data is suitable, particularly when the field of investigation is limited, not very large. A greater degree of originality of data is required. Third, information is to be kept secret. Fourth, accuracy of data is great significance. And fifth, when direct contact with the informant is required. The merit of such method is that the first is originality. Data have high degree of originality. Accuracy, data are fairly accurate when the personally collected. Reliability, because of the information is collected by the investigation himself, reliability of data is not doubted. Related information, when direct contact with the informant, the investigation may obtain other related information as well. Uniformity, there is a fair degree of uniformity in the data collections by investigator himself from the informant. And elasticity, this matter is fairly elastic because of the investigator is always make necessary adjustment in his set of questions. And demerit of this method is difficult to cover wide area. Means in the direct personal investigation, because very difficult when area study is very wide. And personal, this method is highly prone to the personal by investigation. As result, data may lose their credibility. Costly, this method is very expensive in the terms of time, money, and the effect involved. And limited coverage, in this method area of investigation is generally small. The result are therefore less representative. This may be a wrong lead to be a wrong conclusion. Next, indirect oral investigations is a method by which the information is obtained not from the person regarding whom the information is needed. It is correctly only from the other person who are expected to possess necessary of information. Suitable of this method is the field of investigation relatively large, and it is not possible to have direct contact with the concerned informant. And investigation is so complex in nature that every expert can give the information. The merit of this method is that wide coverage. This method can applied even when the field of investigation is very wide, and less expensive method as compared to the direct person investigation. Expert opinion, using this method investigation can seek opinion to the expert and thereby can make the informant reliable. Free cause of bias, this method relative free cause of personal bias because of investigation. And simple, this is relative simple approach of the data collections. And demerit, less accurate data collected by the matter is relatively less accurate and doubtful conclusions. Means this matter lead to a doubtful conclusion due to careless of the witness. And bias, there is possibility of personal bias of witness of giving the informations. Thank you.